Here's how to become a professional graphical designer for the family need. Using Microsoft Paint or you search for and open the paint. You can resize the canvas with the three happy squares at the edges and corner of the canvas. Can't see the canvas good enough now? Then you'll love the revolutionary zoom feature and control scroll with all the control you need. Modify image properties from the Fill menu. For precision, click the resize button on the ribbon image F section. You'll love the extensive range of color on the color palette. The pencil tool has a nicely sharp edge and no dithering. The bucket fills an area of the same color with your chosen color, but for more colors, click Edit Colors. Select either color 1 or 2 to modify the respective color. 1 is for left click and 2 is for the right click. You can access a wide selection of paint brushes to satisfy the needs. Utilize the spectacular range of sizes for your tools. Exploit the vast collection of useful shapes. You can customize the shapes, outline and fill with much ease like so. Remember, you can always use Ctrl-Z and Y to undo and redo your last action. Also double-click the ribbon tab to hide the controls. Time to save with numerous saving formats, but we will make a new canvas for our needs. If you want to edit an image file, drag it into Paint. Or you can right-click it and select Edit. Select a part of an image with the Select tools. Now you can crop the image to your selection by pressing Crop. Use the Color Picker tool to get the color straight from the image. Look like you know what you're doing with View Guidelines Ruler status bar. Here you can rotate or flip the image. Add some text, why not? You'll get an unimaginable power within the text editing tools. For fun, you must add color to the text box. The rubber is used to paint the image with color too. Now it's time to set the image as the desktop background. In one image you can copy a selection. Then paste it onto another image. Set the image as a fill tile or center image. This is how they look. You can get the real deal by reading the full blog post at crypticbutter.com. Many cookies for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Payment to Butter. Don't forget to watch the video again.